Ethiopia Union Mission
Again, Ethiopian Union Mission.
voted those officers on February 6, 2018.
Alawo Janeiro ne bi lade ko la den bi go chicken galat ke changa bakel kan payre udien ga ronda kon.
So we have fulfilled all the requirements of the
Aladini
policy.
algur kon ke ko ba ga ta
And so at this time,
ken sa menta
it is my privilege
again kuita galo aida ken luga
and honor
ken go be lutagalo
to invite the ECD president
ko ba ko rendin be
on this 9th February 2018
kajin changan wal ma changan bangwanen ka payre ude ke ron kidina re ude wel badak
to formally declare
ke go be ko la lar ke lo de men to
the official organization
ni ka men jalla chirmen gor gwir lo ko be
of the Gambela Field
so de
Station.
gambele de ko la fil